So once a term, you receive your college bill from the finance office. Your college bill essentially contains three important charges, which are your tuition fees, your housing, your room rent, and any other charges that you incur using your CAM card, mostly food. So this first college bill that you'll receive sometime around the middle of October will just have the fee, the tuition fee, and your rent for the term on it. You won't see any sort of food bill until the next term. So any food that you purchase during this term will get charged to next term's bill. Along with getting a bill once a term, you also get a statement every month informing you of how much that you've accumulated on your college card. When you receive these statements, you can simply take it as information and say, okay, now I know how much I've spent and how much I'll have to pay next term. But you're also welcome to pay off that bill, that statement at any time. So if you've been incurring charges to your food bill and you'd rather not wait until next term, and you'd rather just pay it off periodically every month, you're more than welcome to do that. The finance office would be extremely happy to help you out with that.